walks, you say sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of a window to your right, as he goes left and you stay right between the lines of fair and blame. You begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. Let him know that you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting innocence. Lay down a list of what is wrong, the things you've told him all along, and pray to God he hears you. Yes, I pray to God